Welcome to another tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. I hope you're doing well. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to change your date of birth on the Booking.com app. Booking.com is one of the most popular accommodation booking platforms worldwide, but sometimes you might need to modify or update personal information on your profile. So, if you're ready, let's get started with the process. First, open your Booking app. Then, in the bottom right corner, tap on your profile. After that, tap on the Manage Your Account option. Once you've done that, now select Personal Details. When you've reached this part, now tap on the Date of Birth option, then enter your new date of birth. Once you're done with that, tap on Save, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.